Who actually owns the city? Through information processing in the second machine age, city will emerge from us. You want to know how? Let's delve into InfoMorph. The world is already full of information. Now it's up to humanity to process those. Through algorithmic processing of information, multi-space emerge. Information from physical realm processed in the digital realm, and then gives actionable insight to the physical realm, weaving the two realm into one single space, a multi-space. What does the algorithm do? From algorithmic processing, swarm networks arises as the urban network driving force. Form matters, but not so much the forms of things as the forms between things, and it is the swarm networks, demonstrating the logistic of context. To recognize the limits of architecture's ability to order the city, and at the same time, to learn from the complex self-regulating orders already present in the city. Attention is shifted to systems of service and supply, a logic of flow and vectors. Hence, seeing the city as field rather than static objects, growing and living according to the volume of the information it processed. From this process, hence the world is not just smarter but becomes an entity that is self-organizing and adaptable. InfoMorph, redefining architecture as medium for information flow.